Okay, so since I have super lots of paint left, thought I'd do another wave on a 16 by 20. So I don't have much white, so I might have to mix up a bit more. But that's okay, I'll just do it quickly. So I just add some white paint into the mixture. And then add the Floetrol back in. Kind of the same amount-ish. And then I just mix it up. So the nice part is that if you run out of white, I didn't use any silicone in this white, so I can just mix up more in here, if that makes any sense. Bit of water. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so just gonna pour a bunch of white. Actually, I'll probably use all of it. If I have to mix up a little more, then I mix up a little more. It's all totally doable. I'm just going to use my fingers to spread it over the edge. There. Messy, messy. Which is okay. Some more paper towel. Okay, I'm going to use this dark to come over the bottom. Kind of like so. Okay, and this pretty pewter. Just going to come in a bit with it over here. And then the pretty metallic cobalt blue. Which I'll probably use up. There we go. And a little bit of the gray. Which I'll use up as well. Alright, there's the pretty wave. Just kidding. Just gonna cover these edges with some stuff so it'll flow nice. Okay, now to start swiping. So, gonna come this way a bit. Ooh. Fun. Okay. I think I will have to mix up just a little bit more white. But I'm liking it. The nice part is it doesn't take too long to mix up white. A little bit of paint, a little bit of Floetrol, a little bit of water. Well, I should say half paint, half Floetrol, and then a little bit of water. We're getting some really pretty cells. Beauty. Because I just want to get this corner and this edges. Woo! Sticking to the plastic. Okay. Let's keep swiping. Just going to help this come down a bit. I think I want, I'm gonna put a little streak of this gray in the corner. Maybe a little bit of white. Oh, look at that. Pretty, pretty. I think I might just add a little white right in here. Whoop. I like that. The only thing I might do is bring a little bit more white down this way so it's a bit more motion. Like that. If I clean this off. Like an ocean swirl. I think I'm going to add a little dark in here though. I know everybody's probably like, no, stop playing with it. Sometimes I know I keep swiping and playing with it, but I kind of like that. Add a little bit of dark in there. And maybe I'm going to add a bit more white in here. Ooh, look at all the pretty cells. Love that. Okay, torch a little. Look at those cells. Those are pretty. I like this one. I think I'm going to leave it like that because we got some gorgeous cells happening in here. It looks really good. Fix up the sides a bit, but other than that, another pretty wave for you guys, but you got to see how I mix the paints for them, so hopefully that'll help everybody. Hopefully you guys can see that. Another big ocean wave. I think it looks pretty cool. It's super circular, like a tubular wave. I like it. So it's a 16 by 20 again, just like the last one. Yeah, I'm gonna let this dry. Actually, I should bring you guys down so you could see all the cells that are happening because they're super pretty. Okay, I'm gonna bring you down.